So right here you have a pretty nice looking quartz vein that goes all the way up here, and we're just looking for mineralization on it. So far we found some pyrite, and that's about all, but this area is pretty well known for its VMS deposit, and we're going to search this area a little bit more. So what you have right here is a kind of a test at it, slash open cut. It's about goes in about 10 feet. You got a lot of rock there that's sloughed down in it, so you can't really see too much of it, but area is really rich with copper and gold, so no doubts they were looking for something like that. Across the way here you have another test at it there, so we're going to take a look around here and see what more we can find. Quartz vein. Got another little quartz vein right there. So you're seeing a little bit more oxidization here. Rock is pretty schistose. Farther down gets a lot nicer looking stuff. Have right here an open cut, and where they expose some copper pyrites and low gold values. So you got more oxidization right there. So right there you have a small looking quartz vein. It's about 3 centimeters in diameter, and it's got some sulphides on it, just disseminated through the quartz, and there's also some in the schists as well. And there's a little bit more right there as well. We will continue to search. Right here you have more oxidized schist host rock, and a small little test at it here as well. You can see there's some pyrite. Nothing solid vein-wise here though. Some quartz, but it's all disseminated throughout that and the host rock. Another nice little open pit slash test at it here, right there, and all along there. You got a lot of overburden that's left in there though now. There's some more oxidized quartz and schists. You have another open cut up here. This was mined about a century ago, so a lot of dirt and debris has left out and fallen in. Yet another open cut that leads to a little bit of an adit, which is completely covered, and another one right there. Again, they were in search of copper and gold. Got a lot of nice oxidization over there, which we will take a look at in a separate video. So right here you have one of the main adits. A lot of mineralization still left here. I can tell by just a quick look. Sulphides in there. Looks like this is probably what they were chasing. This quartz vein probably extended quite a bit farther. Not sure how far that goes in, but we'll take a look at that in a separate video as well. There's another one of the adits. That one is pretty covered with overburden and rock that's sloughed in. There's a lot of decent looking mineralization here. Nice little pockets of sulphides. Continues down in this nice looking vein here. Nice looking vein there. It looks like it continues all the way across there and heads in beside the adit there. So I'm gonna take a look at this and take some samples, take a look at this area, see if we can find anything worthwhile here. Look at that. Nice looking stuff. That's some nice looking sulphides there as well. Ooh, that is pretty stuff. Probably do a bunch of panning in this area as well. A lot of nice looking veins we can sample here. It's all sulphides, pyrite, chalcopyrite. My understanding, all this metal here, they had a bridge at one time that crossed over here to get to the two sides. I would say that's about 10 to 15 centimeters wide. I would say averaging about 12. This vein continues all the way along here and through here. And it breaks off into a bunch of little ones here, right there. So this place has a lot of potential. If you come up here, You got another adit here. Looks like that one looks like it's inaccessible. A lot of mineralization in this area. Not sure if this is a adit or a open cut. Well, it's definitely an open cut, but it may have an adit that's struck below the base of all this rock here. Probably one of the bigger open cuts on this property. Got a nice vein going up there. Whew. So that's an open cut. However, below all this rock right here, this looks like it was taken off. But we'll check out this in detail a little bit more later.